Hey guys, this is Jason from Simple Cookery, and today we're making honey soya chicken wings my way. So as you look to the left, there's a lot of condiments, but do not be intimidated as they're all necessary to make your chicken wings flavorsome. So right here, you've got our two most important flavors, your honey and your soy sauce. One other thing I'm excited about is I want to introduce you to my other sauces. You got sesame oil, fish sauce, garlic, oyster sauce, chili flakes, and dark soy sauce. So let's get cooking. Okay, to start off with, get 4 cloves of garlic and dice them up. To marinate the chicken wings, what we're going to do first is we're just going to sprinkle them lightly with some salt and pepper. And we're going to put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Also put in 1 tablespoon of chili flakes just to give the extra spicy flavor, and then also sprinkle in the garlic that you diced up. After you put in all your marinade, give it a nice mix so that the flavors soak into the chicken. For the best results, I do recommend you to marinate overnight. Just a little tip that my mom taught me when I was young. What she loved to do is she loved to poke holes in the chicken wings so the flavor could go in faster. I'm not sure if that works, but hey, always gonna listen to your mama. So you want to transfer your chicken wings onto a baking tray. I like to use baking paper because I don't have to do a lot of washing, and the chicken wings don't stick to the baking tray itself. Now to grill the chicken wings, I'm going to put my oven on fan grill and I'm going to set the temperature to 200 degrees. So you want to bake the chicken wings in the oven for around 20 to 25 minutes. Now while the chicken wings is cooking, you can cut up some parsley for decorations. And it is done. Look how good that looks. Now I'm just going to serve it up, and to make it a little bit more fancy, I'm just going to put a little bit of parsley in there. And this is my style of honey soya chicken wings. Enjoy. So here we go. Chicken wings for really good. My boy.
The colors, amazing.
Thank you.
The dark soy sauce really helps.
I know, that's what you want. Like, you really want to get these colors in your chicken wings. Just dig in. Damn. That's how you eat chicken wings. Eat it like a man. Use your hands. How'd you find it? Juicy?
The honey and the soy just balance each other out so well. Really good.
It's really good, eh? Because it's like juicy on the inside and it's crispy on the outside, you know. You reckon? It's really good, eh?
Yeah, it's very good.
Okay. So, if you like this recipe, don't forget to click like and subscribe down below. As usual, check out our Instagram. We'll be posting stories of behind the scenes. In Simple Cookery, we teach you simple recipes and techniques to make you a better cook in the kitchen. See ya.
Bye.